Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix no sound during calls on your Motorola Moto G55. So first, we're gonna start off by checking the volume with these side buttons. So this is the thing we forget about. Now let's just click it, the volume up or volume down. Let's click on three dots. And here we will have everything. So as you guys can see, here we have the call volume. Now let's go over to the settings, and here let's go over to sounds and vibration. Now as you guys can see, here we have the media volume, the call volume, ring volume, notification and alarm volume, and we are interested in the call volume only. So here make sure to set it up to your preference or set it up to max if you don't get any sound. If it's muffled, then you guys can basically adjust it to your preference, but if you get no sound, then I recommend maxing it out. Now after that, what we can do is we can leave this tab and go over to the connected devices. Here we will have the connection preferences, and now let's click on the Bluetooth. Here we need to make sure to disable our Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices. So for example, your headphones, even your car. So this may basically reroute the audio to another device, and it won't play on the main phone, but it will play on some headphones or inside of the car. So we need to be very careful. Now what else can we do is we can grab either a soft cloth or a soft brush and try and clean the earpiece. So earpiece is right here, as you guys can see, and we need to try and clean it. It's very important because if there's something stuck in it, then it might also cause the issues with no sounds. And after that, what you guys can do is test it with either another call, so from the phone right here, or with another app. So for example, WhatsApp, so you guys can see if the problem is only with the app or entire phone. Now after that, what you guys want to do is restart the phone. So to reset it or restart it, we need to click on the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now let's click on restart, and now our phone is restarting. So I'll get back to you guys once everything is done. Now after the restart, what we need to do is just enter our pattern and the phone will unlock. And after that, what we can do is we can factory reset the device. So it's as a last resort. So go over to the settings. Now here in the settings, let's scroll a bit down, and then we need to go over to the system. So here we have the reset options. Now let's click on erase all data, which is the factory reset. We can also erase the eSIMs right here. It doesn't change anything, you guys can just do that. And here let's just click on erase all data. So let me lower the brightness. Now here let's click on erase all data, and now we need to confirm our pattern. And if it still does not work after the factory reset, then it might be the issue with your hardware, and I would recommend checking it out at the service center, and you may want to get a diagnose on your phone. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.